Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 10 top stories we are covering today. MacRumors readers react to Tim Cook stepping down as CEO. Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, is set to step down later this year and be replaced by John Ternus, current hardware engineering chief. MacRumors readers have reacted with a mix of praise for Cook's accomplishments and relief at his departure, with some fans thanking him for leaving the company in a strong financial position, and others expressing hope that Apple will continue to grow under Ternus' leadership. Why John Ternus is the right pick at the right time. Apple CEO Tim Cook will step down after 15 years, with John Ternus taking over on September 1. Ternus, a 25-year Apple veteran, has been praised by Cook for his engineering mind, innovative spirit, and leadership qualities. The transition begins at WWDC 26 in June, just before the iPhone 18 Pro reveal. Extended reality and the rise of everyday AR glasses. Extended reality, encompassing augmented, virtual, and mixed realities, is poised to enter a transformative phase with the rise of everyday AR glasses. The only technology that died more times than VR is AI, and that seems to have worked out. Meta's Horizon Worlds has shut down, sparking debate about the fate of the metaverse. Neil Stephenson, who coined the term, suggests it may be dead and buried. However, experts note that early VR hardware was always uncomfortable, citing examples from the 1960s and NASA's 40-year-old View system. Apple exploring 4 different styles for its upcoming smart glasses using premium materials. Apple is testing 4 different styles of frames for its upcoming smart glasses, aiming to differentiate itself from rivals through design. The glasses will feature integrated cameras, microphones, and sensors, allowing users to receive notifications, capture photos and videos, play music, and interact with AI features like Siri. Apple plans to launch multiple designs in various colors, similar to the company's approach with the Apple Watch. Major new Apple products get fresh updates: AR glasses and iPad Fold. Apple plans to release augmented reality AR glasses between 2028 and 2030. A foldable iPad, previously a priority for CEO John Ternus, may not see the light of day due to its experimental nature. The timeline for AR glasses is uncertain, but a 2028 launch remains possible. Scientists sculpt Einstein onto a crystal using only light. Researchers at XBA and CEO Emerging Technologies Research Center and Nobel laureate Prof. Konstantin Novoselov have discovered that arsenic trisulfide, a crystalline semiconductor, can be permanently altered by light and shaped at the nanoscale using continuous wave light. This unusual optical behavior is attributed to photorefractivity, where exposure to low-intensity ultraviolet light changes the material's refractive index. The strong response allows for direct writing of optical functions into the material, potentially revolutionizing technology applications. Samsung's leaked smart glasses could finally beat Ray-Bans if they nail these 4 things. Samsung is reportedly preparing to launch its Galaxy AI smart glasses as early as July, alongside the Galaxy Fold 8 and Z Flip 8. The device is said to feature a 12MP camera with autofocus, matching the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2's capabilities. A strong camera system could be a key differentiator for Samsung's smart glasses, potentially allowing them to outperform competitors in terms of image processing and low-light performance. 7 trendy TikTok gadgets that are actually worth trying. TikTok's dedicated shop is now available in the US, allowing users to purchase products online. Despite potential pitfalls, several trendy TikTok gadgets have gained popularity, with some being genuinely useful. A new update to Philips Hue smart lights will transform your lighting. Philips has released an update for its Hue smart lights using the Bridge Pro Hub, introducing Hue Spatial Aware. This feature uses augmented reality scanning to map out light positions in a room and dynamically adjust lighting based on their placement. The update brings realistic effects like sunsets, color washes, or water-like transitions without requiring new hardware or subscriptions. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.